Hi everyone, in this video, we'll talk about how to use Kissflow. Guide for Kissflow management. First, what is Kissflow? Kissflow is a workflow automation and process management platform. It helps you design, automate, and monitor workflows like approvals, task assignments, project tracking, and more without needing coding skills. Kissflow is used for employee onboarding, expenses approvals, purchase orders, project management, and customer support workflows. Now, on getting started, go to kissflow.com and create an account or sign in using your email or Google account. Now, step 2. Choose what do you want to build. Once you're inside Kissflow, you can create first, a workflow, a sequence of steps, tasks, next, a project. Manage tasks collaboratively. Third is the case, manage things that don't have a fixed flow. And lastly, the process app for more complex, structured workflow. Now, how to create a workflow in Kissflow. First things first, create a new workflow by clicking on Create New, then Workflow. Choose a template like leave request, IT ticket, etc. or start from scratch if you want. Step 2. Design the form. Drag and drop fields like test fields, date pickers, drop downs, and attachments. This form is what users will fill out when starting the workflow. For example, for an expense approval, the form might have employee name, amount, and receipt attachment. Step 3. Set the workflow steps. Define the sequence of tasks. Who approves, what happens after approval, and what happens if it's rejected. You simply drag and connect steps. Employee submits expense. Next, manager approves, then finance process payment. You can also set conditions and automatic assignments. Step 4. Add notifications. Set up email or app notifications to alert people when a task is assigned, a workflow is approved or rejected, a due date is coming up. Now, on managing ongoing workflows. Once workflows are running, dashboard view, see workflows in progress, pending approvals, and overdue tasks. Now, for task list, every user has a clear task list. Next, the activity log. You can track every action made in the workflow for transparency. Users just open their assigned task, fill needed info, and move the workflow forward. Now, for the reports and analytics. Kissflow auto-generate reports on how many workflows completed, average completion time, and bottlenecks where delays happen. You can also build custom dashboards to track metrics important to you. Example, see average approval time for expenses or number of new hire onboarding cases this month. Now, on collaboration features. For comments, team members can use comment on tasks. On mention, use mentions to tag teammates, and for files, attach documents directly to the workflow. This keeps communication and documentation in one place, not scattered across emails. And that's basically it.